Guys, All American Build. So today we are going to be doing a cold start on the 1960 Ford F100, and it is about 25 degrees out.
Yeah,
maybe a little.
2 weeks since we started it.
Yeah, maybe a little bit colder. So everything's all nice. We checked everything. We got the battery hooked up. So, Mom, start her up. Yep, ready. Okay, yo, Mom, how did she feel?
It felt awesome. She did great. Started right up, not a problem. Turned right over. I'm impressed. How about you?
I am very impressed.
I like this old truck.
But holy crap, this baby is nice.
We had to take the air cleaner off to get some air to her.
Heck yeah.
But she starts right up. Never fails. 223, 1960.
Uh-huh.
Original motor.
Heck yeah, guys. Okay, guys, All American Build. Keep on clicking. Tinguisaco to Pride with a 605, guys.
Till next time.
Let's go, Brandon. Be more hands-on, stay off the box, guys. Okay, bye.
Good job.